What's up guys, it's me G. So here is how you can change the Sony A6400 shutter button to record button. So right now I'm in the movie mode, right? So for example, let me go to the menu, camera setting 1, no, it's in camera setting 2, I know. Okay, movie shutter on in camera setting 2, page 3. Let me turn off first. So right now I'm in the movie mode, right? You see I can't use, when I press the shutter button I can't use for recording. Go to menu, camera setting 2. Okay, again go to menu, camera setting 2, page 3, click movie shutter. Now you see I can use for recording. It's that simple. Yeah, subscribe and bye.